What are the benefits of professional upholstery cleaning? Are you planning to hire professional upholstery cleaners in Melbourne? Well, that's a great step to take. Indeed, you need professional intervention to keep your upholstery clean. More so, in this COVID-19 pandemic, you need to keep them clean to stay safe. And you need to hire professionals for the best results. Why? Because it improves the interior air quality. It adds to the furniture life. It makes them aesthetically richer. It makes living better and safer in this pandemic. So hire a bunch of upholstery cleaning professionals in Melbourne. There are so many names around you. But the name that really does it best is Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Thank you.